who knows, all the parts to it. Okay, that goes in this box. And then I've got a, this is complete. It's got the clip, it's got the headphones, it's got the box. It needs a new belt. Okay, that thing goes in this box. All right, and then we got a bag of, I don't know what, another bag of more various stuff. Okay, and we have another heavy bag of these. You know what these are? These are the chargers, and there's a battery or two. Okay, and we got a pair of, I don't know, pair of cheesy headphones. Okay, so all right, so let's push this out of the way. All right, so here's one of these, you know, fancy things with the, you know, it's got the battery deal. I'm not selling that separately. Are you kidding me? And then this is one that opens. Right, okay, yeah, it opens like that. Okay, it's just so cool. Right, so needs a belt. It's shiny. It's got some scratches on it, but who cares? It needs a belt. Okay, so got a belt for that one. And then I've got a belt for this one here. Right, so here's one of these. Okay, it's a, you know, it's a very. I'm not going to get this out of the bag. I'll be here all night getting stuff out of the bags and boxes and stuff. All right, and then here's one of these. Wait, where's the camera? Here's one like that, and clicks and pops. Okay, so there's that one, and then here's another. Other one, was it say back here? I got tired of writing belt. Okay, and then this one says these belts all okay. I don't know what that means. I have to play with this stuff all over again. And then here is the yet another one of these things, and it, what did I say? Clicks, pops, and nuttin'. Okay, and then we got a cassette dead faux. I don't know, something is loose. Okay, all right, great. And then we have another one here, which is, oh wow, belt. Okay, so looks like that. Okay, great. And then we have a, I don't know what this is, Panasonic something or other. Okay, it's a, okay, I'll let you see it up close so you can, it's a SX, wait, I gotta, trying to, anyway, hope you see that. Anyway, there it is. It takes a gum stick battery up in that end. That's all I know. All right, here's a here's a one of these here with, you know, no screws, so it clips apart. And it's a EX 102. Okay, EX 102. All right. And then here's a what is this? A, oh gosh, this is a I don't know what. Okay, well it's a lights on, nothing work. What is this? This is the WMAF64 and BF64. So if you can see that up there somewhere in the light, I don't know, just there it is. Okay, so much for that. And then here's a an Iowa. I don't have too many Iowas, but I do have whatever one this one is. It's that model. Okay, and then we have a, here's a massive thing. Okay, so it's got a equalizer and digital tuning, and the digital radio does work. I remember because I tested it, like I tested a whole bunch of these things. But there's that, and then here's another massive Emerson thing. Okay, it's a multi-directional thing. Okay, it's a, well, here, there's the model number. You look at it and stare, pause the video. Okay, great. And then what? Well, we can just think, okay, so these, well, let's see here. I don't want to show that. This is a, okay, this is a Sony WM10RV. I'm not showing you the address it was shipped to, but I have that one. And this was a, I don't know what that is, but there it is with the flappy cover. And here is a, oh, these are the ones I didn't go through and test and check out and all that. But then I've got a, here's a quasar thing, which I made a video about a while back, I'm pretty sure. There it is. And here's another fancy Iowa. I don't know. Just there it is. There's another. It's what is this? Okay, does this have the? It's a HSPX 337. Maybe. Let's see. Wait. Maybe you can see it. Hopefully there. I don't know. Okay. Pause the video. You know how that works, right? Here's a 5-band equalizer Sony thingamabob. Okay, it's it looks like that. It's just, who knows. All right. I did make a video about the 3 of these things. You know, these. You know, I just need to find belts for them. I need to go actually order belts for them. So there are the 3 of those things. Okay. What was this? That was a Q-tip. Okay, put that back over there. Then we've got a, I don't know what that is. Just another cheesy something or other. Here's a, what is this? Here is a TC hoo-ha, whatever. Okay, Sony, you know, stereo recording, stereo microphones and so on and so forth, and yeah, it's all complete. It probably needs a belt. I'll bet you it needs how much. Oh, and then here's the one I made a video about. It's in maybe if I can find a belt for it, I made a video about it anyway. So, and then what else is there? Here's this massive Grundig thing, which is in the door. The why is the numbers up there flashing? Am I running out of? I don't know why that thing's flashing. Anyways, something's flashing on the camera, so maybe this thing's going to end soon. I don't know. Am I running out of card? Why is it flashing? I don't know. Just I got this going on. Well, there's. Okay, there it is.